YouTube, it's the Buffalo Perch Killer. We're out here. We're gonna make a move. We haven't been doing too good out there since he's caught that big one. So what we're gonna do is we gotta find a direction to go in. I think I know something too. Hey, were you guys fishing near the docks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were fishing down in between them.
In between them, I'm close up like these guys are.
Yeah, kind of. We were going for like 5 or 6 all the way down to like that side, jump over, go back. Nothing. Not even.
How thick was the ice over there, you think?
5, 6.
Yeah, us too.
Yeah. Plenty of ice.
The guy, they don't believe me when I tell them it's 5 or 6.
I know. Plenty of ice.
You guys are gonna be on YouTube.
Oh yeah?
Buffalo Perch Killer.
Alright, I'll look it up.
Yeah, I just gotta try to make a move, and I wanna make go in the right direction.
I think we might go to a pond. Go to a local pond and pound some bluegill. That might be the
Yeah. It's beautiful out here, man, but ain't no fun without no fish. All right, guys, take it easy.
Have a good one.
YouTube, there's a woman out here. Does she have a fishing pole? Oh, I think I know what we need to do. You had another one? That's still he steady getting bites. Well, I'm ready to move when you are, man. We just got to make a collective decision on what direction we want to go in. I'm going to show you what I think. You tell me what you think about it. Here, I'm going to zip my zipper up to contain that heat. You think we should leave the heat? We should leave it on there. Pull it. Yeah. We're going to leave the heater on while we move it up.
Like, as soon as I put it in a certain depth, that's when I get a bunch.
We're going to lock him up in there. Dude, there's a lady out here tripping me out. It's just weird to see a woman out here walking around with a purse like she going to the grocery store. YouTube, it's funny. Yo, is that Mike? There go Mike right there. Call Mike and see if that's him. They go to Crappy King. Crappy King, I see you. All right. Well, YouTube, let me save this battery till we move to our new spot.